reeling, I'm catching fishes, not feeling my drag be screaming and squilling. These fish be pulling and pinning. Yeah, it's one hell of a feeling when you're reeling up a monster. Double-digit fish, same size as a toddler. They don't wanna ride, looking like I hooked the Loch Ness. Catch me low tide, poking in the pockets. A fish in top water with a water popper popping. Never empty-handed up in Bass Pro Shop. 20-something rods and I still keep copping. I'm a fish forever till they put me in a coffin.
If you ain't out on the river catching biggins, then where the you at? What's up, guys? I'm out here doing an unboxing. I entered a giveaway by Cast King. It's a custom reel painted by BMC Custom Repair, and yeah, I'm excited to see the final product. Yeah, excited. Cast King. Never used any of their stuff before, so I'm so excited to use it. It's a BFS reel, so let's go ahead and open it. It's all the way from Florida. I guess they used 3-day priority mail, so shout out to them. I got it pretty quick, and I'm in Cali, so it got here pretty quick. Cast King. I guess it came with the BMC sent the envelope, I guess. Got the little sticker logo right there, so let's go ahead and open this. There, BMC Custom and Repair. These are the guys who painted it for Cast King and painted it for me as well. It says, congratulations on winning the giveaway. Anything you need on this or any other reel, please let me know. I'll be very happy to help you. Best regards. Oh man. Their info all right there. Okay, this is the category CST, Cast King. It's the Cast King reel. I think you pronounce it Kestrel Elite BFS reel. It's 8. It's the gear ratio 8, 4, and 1. Has the 11+1 bearings. Max drags 13.2. Mono braid. 80. 4-pound test, up to 8-pound test, 50 yards. Braid 6-pound, 215, 10, 125. So this reel weighs 4.5 pounds. Super light, guys. It's the King Kestrel Elite BFS reel, right hand, Storm Cloud Gray. New reel that came out. Let's go ahead and open it up. Man, look at that. Yeah, look at that reel, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Man, look at the details on that. Look at that. Left their mark right there like that. BMC. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be the design of a kestrel bird, like a hawk, I believe. And I looked it up. I'll leave it right here. It's supposed to look like that, and they match the hatch pretty good, nice and smooth. Man, look at that. Can't wait to break this in. It's really, really light. I think this is my lightest reel I have. Fits in my palm. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Fits. So small and light. 11+1 bearings. It's the BFS. So drop shot, some little 2-inch Cincos, 3-inch custom worms. Got to break this in. Kestrel Elite. King sticker. So yeah, can't wait to break it in. Might try it out this weekend, see what happens. Super light, guys. Fits in my palm good, nice and smooth. I'll probably throw some 4-pound tests maybe on it, and drop shot some mini Cincos. So yeah. So shout out, big shout out to King and BMC. Big shout out to them. Make sure to go into their giveaway. I think they have a giveaway like every Wednesday. Make sure to hit them up on Instagram. They're doing those giveaways. Oh man, this is I think this be the rest. I think right here will be my most expensive reel so far, and then one of a kind, custom painted. Man, I appreciate it so much. Shout out Cast King and BMC. Remember, this is Pop's World. Video coming soon, me breaking this in. Hopefully get on some good ones. Check me out. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that notification so stay updated to see what happens. Thank you guys.